You are now watching FRESHREXTV.
All right. Welcome everyone back to the channel. Welcome back to episode 4 on Show Me Your Ride. We're here on a beautiful day. We're here with the homie Jay. He's gonna show off his ride. So Jay, man, tell me, what do you drive, man? What do you got?
Got a 2019 Honda Civic Type R.
All right, how long have you had it, man, and why the Civic Type R?
It's been 2 years, but it's supposed to be a daily, right? I was supposed to get a Honda Civic for a daily, but I was like, yeah, then the pricing's almost the same as Type R. Why not upgrade?
Yeah.
So this is what I got.
Nice. And the championship white? How come white?
Type R. You gotta have white.
Yeah.
You gotta have champ white.
No, for sure. It's the most iconic.
Yep.
Nice, man. I know there's a lot to talk about, man, so moving on here to the front end, what all we got, man? I know there's a lot of stuff you got done to it.
That's a lot of stuff. So first of all, on top, I got Jay's Racing carbon fiber hood onto a Jay's Racing carbon fiber grill with the eyelids. Mugen covers right here. Mugen front lip, race bred splitter.
Nice. A lot of carbon you like, huh?
Love carbon.
Cool, man. Looks real good. All right, man. On along the side here, man, what wheel and tire setup you running?
Running 18 by 9.5 TE37s. I forget the black, but it's one of those.
Yeah, the brake setup, man, definitely something not OEM, of course, is something different.
Yeah, I got to stick with the theme, so going with the red hub there.
Yeah.
It's a roller face.
Okay, nice, man. Carbon here too, right?
Carbon APR. Carbon,
Okay.
yep.
Okay. See the mirror caps, Mugen, of course, too.
Mugen.
Nice. And this Honda Access, right?
Yes, it
Little
is.
side thing?
Honda
Okay.
Access.
With the Mugen side skirts,
Side
of course.
skirt.
Nice. Window visors, OEM.
OEM.
Nice. Oh, you did the rear setup too, right? With the brakes? Okay.
Yes, sir. It's the same setup as the front.
Nice. The tires, you like those, Michelin's?
Love those.
Okay. Along the rear here, man, I see the wing. Everyone loves this, of course. Love to see that. And then also this one, the Mugen, what do they call this one again?
Roof spoiler?
Roof spoiler? Okay. Damn. Not many people run that, actually.
Yeah, it looks better than the factory.
Yeah, no. You could tell it sticks out a lot. It looks real good. Really like that. Tail lights, of course, Mugen.
Mugen, yes, sir.
Nice, man. Cool. Exhaust setup, what do you got?
The HKS Lega Max.
Lega Max? Okay.
It's I believe it's the quietest one, so I got that.
Yeah. Nice, man. Oh, you did the rear wiper?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cool, man. All right, man. If we could check out the interior, see what you got going on there. I know you got some goodies in there as well. Okay. So
Mugen steering wheel.
Going on? Yeah, Mugen steering wheel.
Yeah, with works bell, works everything, right?
Okay, nice. Nice. With the floor mats, Mugen, of course.
Yes,
Not
sir.
too many people run those either. And then the seats, man. I know a lot of people love these. And the seatbelt setup.
Yes, sir. I have to have the Mugen seats, right, to
Yeah.
go with the car.
Yeah.
And then the Willens harness by Bulletproof Performance.
Nice.
A bunch of Alcantara bits too, from Overland.
Oh, okay. Nice. And you got a little different setup right there with the screen on top to
Yes,
show
sir.
everything?
Show the Honda.
Nice. And this is all, it just plug and play, right? They make that whole setup works, you said?
Yes, sir. They make this adapter, and then we gotta use our factory controls and stuff.
Nice. It looks sick. Cool, man. And then in the back here, I see you got a little cage. Who makes that one?
Studio RSR.
Okay.
Love that.
Nice. Yeah, it looks good in there, especially in the white.
Nice. The contrast is.
Yeah. No, it looks real good. Not that many people running those, especially around here. And the trunk setup, you got a little bit of goodies back there too?
Not really. Just a little mat here.
Okay. Oh, nice.
A Mugen mat with Motor Compacto, of
Nice.
course, stickered with Mugen.
Yeah, nice.
And Beat Rush strut bar, titanium strut bar.
Nice, sick. It looks sweet, man. Cool, man. All right, man, I guess where the magic's at, if we could check under the hood. I know it's not stock. Wow, okay. Wow, man. So, yeah, let me know what all you got underneath the hood here. I know it's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I like to stick with, the same brands and stuff, right? So it's
Yeah.
full bolt-on with all PRL parts.
Okay.
Obviously, besides the exhaust, right? That's HKS, but
Yeah.
everything else is PRL. Intake, downpipe, front pipe, intercooler, charge pipes,
Everything.
everything.
Okay. A lot of radium stuff too.
A lot of
I know they
radium
make
stuff,
a lot
too.
of cool stuff. Catch can, and then intake manifold, right? You running a different one?
Yes, sir. It's the Dracotel Prackworks intake manifold, carbon fiber.
Nice. Passport mounts too, a little rough ride, but or those feel good or
Feel great.
really? Nice. The whole setup, all of them?
All of them, yes, sir.
Nice. Nice. I like this one too. It's a little different setup than most people run, right? Who makes that one?
I believe it's Mac Lifter
Okay.
from Australia, I think. I
Okay.
believe.
Nice. I see the little washers. What, Chasing J's, right?
Chasing J's.
Nice, man. Love the stuff he makes.
Sir, I just put in the new the radium tubes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. Nice. Man, any numbers that you know about what power it makes or no?
No idea.
Maybe
I'm
high 400s, maybe?
I'm expecting 400.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, with the flex fuel kit, I should have a little more than 400, but
Okay.
I'm expecting 400.
Nice, comfortable ride then.
Yes, sir. And over here, I have the anti-gravity battery.
Oh, that's right.
Love it.
Yeah, man. Some people wouldn't even notice that. Nice.
Yeah, and of course, I have to cover everything up with carbon fiber.
Yeah, no, I love it all.
Yeah, these pieces are made for a car without strut bar,
Oh, that's
so I had to modify it in order
Okay.
for it to fit.
That is true. I didn't notice that. Nice.
Of course, stuck with the Beat Rush strut bar too.
Yeah, I love that titanium. Yeah, a lot of good parts that you got for sure. Cool, man. I gotta ask, man. Of course, the way the condition it's in and all that, is it complete? Is there still more to do?
I got some gauges to do for the dash
Okay.
and maybe a trunk setup, but other than that, I believe I'm close to being done.
Nice. Okay, man. Looks super sweet. Maybe some secret stuff later on that you're gonna put on.
Possibly. I may get bored. You have to do something after you get bored, right?
No, for sure. Yeah, man. Before I let you go, man, I'd like to tell everyone, of course, any shout outs you want to give out there to the world?
I just want to shout out to the crew, DFW
Yeah,
Type R.
nice, man. Shout out
Everybody's
to them.
nice, been great to me.
Yeah,
so
of course.
we're good buddies.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Super thankful to have you on the channel, man. And definitely a car I've always wanted to feature. Me personally owning one, but seeing this one in this condition is something incredible, and not many people have it in this current condition. And I believe these are starting to get more rare to myself. They're starting to become hard to find. The FL5s are becoming more popular now too, but I feel like these are truly gonna stick around for a while. And man, hopefully this one, stays around for a while in this condition, and I'm sure, it'll go real far with this build, of course.
Of course, yeah. It's not a typical car you see in the street, right?
Yeah, no,
it's more like a transformer feel,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, like a Gundam kind of
Yes,
car,
sir.
For sure. But yeah, man, thank you so much again, man, to having you on the channel, man, and truly love this car, and I definitely have always wanted to feature it. But stay tuned for more videos, guys. We're definitely gonna have a lot more episodes. Episode 5 hopefully on the way here soon. Thank you again, man. Appreciate you having it on the channel. We'll get some rolling shots. We'll get some, clips of the exhaust and all that, and we'll close it out there. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you. Ready?
Yeah. this says all your air fuel ratio boost. Okay.
Yeah.
Sick. Nah, you good.
It gives my ethanol content too.
Okay.
Boost pressure, air fuel.
Flex fuel,
And all
that's
the
right. What's that on flex fuel?
PRL.
PRL? Okay.
Yeah, V3.
Okay.
Oh shoot.
Oh, you can,
Can I?
you might be able to fit that.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, you should be good. Kind of scared with the splitter since it sits kind of lower, or no? Or you kind of know kind of where's it at? Or just take it more easy?
It's only at home.
Yeah.
At home, I scrape every time I go up
really?
or down the driveway.
Yeah, because it sits pretty low with that splitter, but
Oh yeah. Yeah, I rub at home a lot,
yeah.
trying to see what this person's gonna do.
Yeah, yeah.
I need to find a straightaway. Right here.
Okay. Definitely a lot faster than mine, for sure.
Well, with flex fuel,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
gonna, you know, obviously give me another 30 or 40.
Yeah, yeah.
But this is pretty tame for now.
Yeah, nah, it's great though. Sick, man.
You wanna go on the highway or you good going around here?
Maybe a couple more around here. That's cool then.
Yeah.
Just to make sure we got it.
We didn't even talk about the suspension.
Oh, true. What
Yeah.
you got all that done there? Ring
Oh,
springs or the whole kit? You got coilovers?
I have the Spoon Sports,
Okay.
lowering springs, the rigid collars,
Oh, nice.
obviously the strut bars,
Yeah.
and Ibach sway bar with the brace,
Yeah, full setup then.
a full setup, and then I forget the other brand, the brace, the blue brand. What was that blue brand?
Blue brand.
Cusco.
Cusco?
Yeah, I have another Cusco in the rear, but you know, Cusco with this roll cage car is stiffed,
Yeah. Nah, it feels real good.
and the LE ADS as well.
Okay. No lower control arms or nothing like that?
No.
What makes those? RV6, I think, right? Makes those red ones?
RV6, Ibach make them.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, sometimes I don't want to get traction, huh?
No, not at all. The car just goes.
Yeah, no, I know, right?
Anytime I step on it, it just goes.
It wants to just keep going.
Yeah, it just keeps going. I love it, man. Just,
Yeah, no, it's plenty of power.